congratulations to me. Maybe this year as well they're not going to come, and I'll be by myself again. Or maybe they're coming. Maybe something happened. I better call them.
Why is he calling me? What day is it today? Today's his birthday. Of course. Anyways.
Hello? Sweetheart? Hello?
Hello, Dad? How's it going?
How's it going? Are you on your way, honey? I'm waiting for you. And yeah, I have everything ready.
Yeah, but happy birthday, Dad. I was just about to call you. What a coincidence, right?
Yes. Thank you, darling. But what time are you coming?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was just about to call you for right now. I wanted to let you know that I won't be able to make it today, but anyways, I have a ton of work and that's why I'm not going to make it. I'm so sorry, but what about next week? I could come over next week. What do you think?
Thanks, darling. I thought you could come and give me that joy at least this year. Maybe you could come for at least 5 minutes, darling.
Yeah, Dad, but no, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But this thing with work, I'm really up to my neck with it. But I'll be coming over soon, okay? Well, Dad, have a great day. Enjoy your birthday. Love you. Bye. Let my brothers do it. It's their turn.
Thanks, darling. Either way, but I'd love for you guys to give me at least a few moments of joy with all of you together. Hello? Hello?
Dad, I don't have time. Call you later.
He's not picking up. Let me try Gary. He must be coming over, maybe with Graham, and they want to give me a surprise.
Hello, Dad? Yeah.
Yes, son. Are you on your way here? I bet with your brother Graham, right?
Dad, please do not mention that idiot. You know I have better things to do.
Don't talk about your brother like that, son. You know he loves you.
Dad, please. I'm not interested, nor do I want to do anything about him. If you want me to send you anything, just let me know and I will send you.
I don't need anything. I just want to see you all together again. You know what? I was calling because it's my birthday. Yeah, and I was thinking you guys could give me that joy of coming here and be together for once.
That's precisely the reason I don't visit you. You know I have no interest to know anything about him.
That's okay, son. That's why I called you. I want you guys to make up. You were born as brothers, raised as brothers. I'm hoping that at some point you guys settle your differences.
If you need anything, I'll send it to you as a gift. Or maybe you want something in specific, text me what it is. I can have it delivered later.
I don't need anything. I just want you to have all of you guys together.
Okay, Dad, that's okay. I'll send you something, okay? See ya. Bye. I'm not going back that house. I'm sorry, Dad.
What did I do wrong? I know they all have their lives, but they forgot about their father completely. My son! It must be him!
How are you, my dear neighbor, Mr. Anthony? I was just stopping by to say and wish you a very happy birthday.
Thanks, young man.
Congratulations.
Thanks, young man. Another year that we spent together.
Oh, it is my pleasure to spend it with you. You're a great person. Seems like this year too, you're having a big party.
There will be none of that, my friend. My children promised last year that they will come today, but they won't.
Well, I can imagine maybe they had some issues. You know how life is. Work, family.
Yeah, I know. They all have their priorities. They don't care about me. All I wanted from them was for them to make me happy by being here all together with me.
You'll see, Mr. Anthony, that there will be the day that you have them all together here and you'll celebrate. Don't worry about it.
I don't think so. Only the day I die, just them, they will regret it. But it will be too late.
Now, what does he want? I'm sure he's just gonna tell me his same old stories. Let's see. Hello, Dad? What happened? What do you need? Excuse me? I think you made a mistake. This number belongs to my dad. What? What? You must be joking, right? What are you saying? What are you saying? I can't. I can't believe it. Please. Yeah, if he gave it to you, if you have his phone, it must be for a reason, right? He must have trusted you. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I'm heading there right now. Don't worry. I'm on my way. Yeah, that's okay. Thanks. I can't believe he just called me to be with him, and I ignored him. Oh, I'm such an idiot.
I forgot to send the gift. Dad, hi. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just was... Hello? And who are you? Yeah, I remember. You were at the party 2 years ago. What's up? My dad. But that's impossible. I just spoke to him on the phone. He was okay. No, you can't say that. What do you mean instructions? Okay, that's okay. But if he isn't answering my dad's calls, much less mine. Right. Okay. At 10, it's okay. Bye. How is this possible? We were just on the phone. I'm just a bad son. I could make the time. Of course. Straight to voicemail. Hello, please do not ignore this message. Our dad just passed away. I was told that we have to be there for the wake at 10. That was his last wish. I can't believe that just now I'm calling him.
How are you? Welcome.
Brother, it's so good to see you after so long.
Thank you, sis. You haven't changed one bit.
It's a pleasure to see you all. After all this time, all of you together, but please come in to the dining room. Come
Is the
in.
way going to be in the dining room?
No, but it's better for you to be there. Come in. Follow me.
You have to help me. Thank you.
This way, please. This way. Come in, please. Well, allow me to step out for a moment. I have something to do. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
We were not the children that Dad deserved.
But we are here. At least to fulfill his last wish.
Right, that's why you're here. For his last wish and appearances.
You know what? That's always the problem with you. We can never talk. You're always on the defense.
And how do you want me to talk if you're only interested in money? Like when Mom passed away. That's why you are here, right? Now you want to keep the house. You have no respect.
That's enough. Don't you think this is not the moment?
You know what? Enough with your nonsense. That's not the way it was. You are misunderstanding everything. You didn't even let us
I don't
explain.
care for any of your explanations.
Stop it! I cannot believe that you're still arguing about that. Don't you realize what's happening right now? Our dad died alone on his own birthday. Can't you see how awful we've been? He's always asked us to be here together, and we've never listened. And all this had to happen for us to finally get us together.
You're right. He was under the impression that we throw him into a birthday party. And now look at us. We're fighting and it's my fault.
Dad called me and I didn't pick it up. I don't know if you know, but I pulled away from that because he came on your defense, regardless of everything that happened.
But I thought he was on your side. Graham, brother, I am so sorry. I know that saying sorry is not enough for everything that I did. But I'm really sorry.
I'm sorry too. Because I pulled away from you guys just like that. After all, we're siblings and... well, we're supposed to take care of each other. Even more so being with Dad.
I love you guys.
I'm here, my children.
Daddy! Dad,
Daddy!
why did you do this? You have no idea how awful we've been feeling.
I'm so sorry, but it was the only way to get you all together again.
If you excuse me, it was my idea, and allow me to explain everything. Is this your daughter's number?
Yeah, that's hers.
Okay. Hello? How are you? I'm very sorry to inform you that your father did just pass away. Yes, and I'm sorry to bring you this news in such a way, but there was no other way to let you know. Look, your dad's last wish was that his children say goodbye to him. It's okay. I'll be here then. Yes, in his house. It is done. Now we have to plan for your kid's arrival, okay? After listening to Mr. Anthony, it broke my heart to see him alone on his birthday again. And like he says, your loved ones only come when it's already too late.
You're right. Dad, I'm so sorry. You've done so much for so many years so Graham and I could get along. And just today we put our difference aside. I'm sorry. Yes. When we could've done it before and more often. I'm really sorry, Dad. Despite being the oldest, I acted in a childish way. I am sorry too. I was stubborn about something that wasn't even worth it. And the only truth affected by all this was you.
I also owe you an apology, Dad, for not being there when you needed me the most. And not being able to appreciate and value all the moments with you, our talks. But I promise you all that's going to change. Because in the end, those moments are the ones we value the most, right?
I also owe you an apology for making you believe that I had died. But at the same time, it makes me happy listening to you guys, being able to talk, and once again having you all together.
That's why I think that sharing in family, valuing each other when you're alive, it's much better, because once you're dead, I don't think it makes sense.
Yes. Thank you for helping us, you know? It's helped us so much. And now we're gonna spend more time together.
It was nothing. Well, I gotta go. I'm sure you guys have a lot to talk about. Excuse me.
Please, Eddie, stay. Stay with us. Let us share what we have. If my kids want to stay, of course. Yes?
Of course, Dad.
I'll set things up.
Of course, Dad. I think we all have a lot to say and a lot to share too.
Yeah, we do. That's right. It's from work. But work can wait. First things first. Well said, brother. I will also cancel all my meetings. I don't want to miss on this moment.
That's what I'm talking about.
Have a seat,
Have a
Dad.
seat.
Let's go, Dad.
Taking care of your parents shouldn't be a chore, neither should it be an obligation. To take care of your parents is a joy, a blessing in itself, so you should take advantage of it, because not everyone has that privilege. Our parents won't last forever. Call them, visit them, invite them for dinner, bring them their grandkids, hug them, and laugh with them. Let them talk, listen to them with patience and love, because tomorrow might be too late. Remember, nothing could fill the heart of a parent more than the love and the care of their children.